It's not just tough finding hand sanitizer these days. There's a run on hand soap as well. Well, good news, it's not that hard to make your own.
Don't you hate it when you run out of your foaming hand soap? Rather than throwing the bottle away and buying another one, here's an easy recipe that you can make in just seconds at home. There are just 2 ingredients. Get pure Castile soap, either scented or unscented, and distilled water. You'll pour 1 part soap to 3 parts water into a measuring cup. In this demo, we used 1/4 cup soap to 3/4 cups water. Mix the 2 together and then pour into your soap container. If you use unscented, you can use a drop of essential oil to give the soap the fragrance of your choice. 1 bottle of the Castile soap can make over 15 foaming hand soap containers. Happy hand washing!
So we use the Dr. Bronner's, and you can use that for hand soap, but then you can also use it for your laundry detergent as well. There's tons of recipes online. You just got to look them up.